In this video, I want to show you how the XDcuff securement straps are installed on your Stryker stretcher. The gray portion of the cuff securement strap is actually what goes on the stretcher, and the black portion is what holds the restraint. So you feed the gray strap through the plastic loop and attach it back to itself. So you want to ensure that the red tab is facing out towards the provider for easy access in emergencies. So now we'll do the opposite side. Now we're going to attach the left wrist position. This is located on the foot end hitch. So what's cool about these straps is they fit every position, so it doesn't matter which one you have. So again, make sure that the red pull tab is facing the provider. Now we're going to install the right wrist position.